often around here. We'll be fishing and we'll hear the sound like it's kind of a, I don't know. Off in the trees. For years we were like, what is that sound? And then that show came out on TV, the Sasquatch, what are they called? Finding Bigfoot? And I realized that these were Bigfoot knocking on trees. And this area is really well known for Bigfoot. This is the Harrison River. And yeah, this valley, that valley, particularly that valley is the Chehalis River Valley. That one is particularly known for Bigfoot. And that's, apparently they meet there every year. There's some, I don't know what one of the Bigfoot researchers years ago talked to the natives, and they said, yeah, they actually come down and they meet in that valley for something. I don't know. Trade human sighting stories, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, today I have my camera girl in a bikini, so I'm pretty thinking I'm probably gonna see a Bigfoot today. Good chance. Good chance. They like, you know, they like the ladies. They like the ladies for sure. But yeah, you know, you'll hear it. You'll hear them coming. They'll be. And you hear mumbling like. I'm just saying. Beautiful. Ah. Oh yeah.